Meron po akong ipi-play na variation. Ngayon, ang magiging tanong ko po ay ganito. Kung in favor kayo sa white, type 1. Kung gusto niyo naman yung black side, type 2. So I will now play this. This is, by the way, the Sicilian Defense Poisoned Pawn variation. Okay, e4, c5, knight f3, d6, d4 takes, knight f6, knight c3, okay, a6, neither variation, bishop to g5, pwede pa po itong mag-branch out kasi may Richard Roser. Pero sige, papunta naman tayo sa poison pawn, e6, f4, queen to b6, and then dito po, ang bookline meron pong queen to d2, and then black will take, and then white will play rook to b1 and then queen to a3. Stop na po tayo dito. At para lang maganda, pumili na muna kayo. Who likes to play the white pieces? You are down by a pawn but your development is already this much. Ngayon, kung ikaw naman ay mukhang natutuwa sa black, black has an extra pawn but you are a bit delayed. But there is no real threat immediately. Yes, lamang yung white ng development pero wala pa naman siyang napatunayan. White is taking a risk. But black, tignan nyo black is also taking a risk in a different form. Sabi ni black, okay lang na ma-delay ako, wala ka pa namang atake. Si white, okay lang na ma-pawn down ako. Wala ka pa namang development eh. So, it's a battle of mindset eh, di ba? So, ngayon, interesting. So, tignan natin. Sino? What? Ba, may mga pumili rin ng 2 at may mga pumili rin ng 1. Okay. Okay. So, baka may hindi pa nakakapili dyan. Ngayon, ipakita natin ang evaluation dito ng computer. Ibalik muna natin siya up to this point. This is dead equality even according to computers. And then after queen to d2, tignan nyo, ang suggestion talaga is to accept. There is not much risk, okay lang. Pero kaya rin yan binibigay ng white, sabi rin kasi ng white, okay lang kahit mawala yung pawn, wala ring risk. At least lamang pa tayo sa development. So, as you can see, it is clear na may kanya-kanya silang binigay para merong makuha. White gave a pawn in return for development. Black took a pawn in return for delay. Kasi po, hinahamon niya si white. Nag-sacrifice ka, patunayan mo yan. Ito namang si black, okay, nagpa-delay ka. Sige, lamang ka ng pawn, pero hindi mo pa mararamdaman agad yan. Tatagan mo. And this is the reason why this is just one of so many variations that is still under debate even from grandmasters. So, from amateur to master level. Okay. So, ngayon, tanong, ano kayang mas maganda dito? Actually po, you are entitled to your own opinion. If you like black, there is no problem with that. If you like white, there is no problem with that. But let me share you some facts about this situation. This is equal according to the computer. That means the computer is confident enough that no matter what side the computer will play, they can play it and reach equality with ease. How about if both players are human? By statistics, white is enjoying this position. And it is not a surprise that most of you chose white. Actually, according to statistics, white has better score because there is a big difference between a computer and a human player. And what is that? Human players accumulate stress while computers are not affected by any pressure because they work under calculation. They don't get tired. They don't get annoyed. They just simply solve the problem that is in front of them. So it's they are machines. So hindi po sila apektado, hindi sila nag-accumulate ng sakit na ng ulo ko dito sa position na to, complicated. Wala silang ganun. They are just a simple mathematical machine na kung ano yung given, okay, ito yung situation, itong isosolve ko, ganun po sila, napaka-straight, napaka-plain. And the reason why white is enjoying this according to statistics is because it's not easy to defend the black side. But with the aid of chess engines, then maybe it's possible for some human players to play this in a different light. But then again, do not ignore the statistics. So yun lang naman po yung paalala natin dito. So whether you choose black or white, It's up to you because they have they have their own advantage and disadvantages. Inaral mo dito yung block. Yung kalaban mo, ang inaral niya lang pala, memorize niya lang yung first moves. Tapos hindi na siya nag-care kung paano yung mga right continuation, then definitely the black player will enjoy the game the most. At hindi pa magtatapos doon. Uulit-ulit yung white kasi feeling niya, lamang na ako doon, natalo lang ako eh. So he will be a victim all over again because he is willing to repeat it because for some reason he believes that he has the advantage. But black on the other hand is confident that even though black is not really so attractive, since the player who studied the black side of this position is pretty confident about the knowledge and experience that he or she has already gained, then okay lang, i-welcome niyo si white. Poison pawn ba? Walang problema. Sige, umatake ka. Naaral ko to. I know what to do.